Right now, your brain is being hacked. Every ping, every scroll, every notification is stealing your focus and rewiring your reward system. You think you're in control, but dopamine is controlling you. What if I told you the secret to clarity, discipline, and real happiness isn't adding more, it's taking away? Welcome to the Dopamine Detox. Your brain is being hijacked, not by criminals, but by dopamine. Every scroll, every bite, every binge floods your system like a slot machine, and just like a gambler, you keep pulling the lever, hoping for another hit. Imagine a lion in the wild. Dopamine fires when it hunts, when it fights, when it survives. Now imagine that lion locked in a zoo, fed daily without effort. The fire dies. That's us today, lions in cages, fed by algorithms. The cruel irony? The more dopamine you get, the less satisfied you feel. It's like drinking salt water. You're thirsty, you drink, but the more you consume, the thirstier you become. Awareness is the first step. Once you see the trap, you can step out. Pleasure fades. Psychologists call it hedonic adaptation. That new phone, those new shoes, they thrill you for a week, then become ordinary. It's like fireworks, bright, dazzling, gone in seconds. And when dopamine floods us daily, we adapt faster than ever. What once excited us becomes dull, so we chase more, scroll more, consume more. But wisdom is knowing this. Stop chasing fireworks, start building fires. A dopamine detox slows you down, so you can savor joy before it fades. Willpower is a muscle. Every temptation resisted, every distraction fought off. It drains energy. And in today's world, temptations are everywhere. No wonder you feel exhausted before you even begin. Dopamine overload accelerates this fatigue. It's like running a marathon every day without rest. But detox is recovery. It's sharpening the sword of self-control. When your willpower muscle is strong, you stop being a prisoner of impulse and start becoming the master of your destiny. Awareness is freedom. Most of us live on autopilot, reacting to every buzz, every urge. That's dopamine whispering. Mindfulness is the reset. It's pausing before checking your phone, noticing the urge, and choosing differently. It's turning on the lights in a dark room. Suddenly, you see the traps. Think of your mind as a river. Dopamine pushes the current fast and wild. Mindfulness is the anchor. It lets you step out of the current, stand on the shore, and watch without being swept away. Success is patience. The Marshmallow Test proved it. Kids who waited for 2 marshmallows achieved more in life. Take Cal Newport, author of Deep Work. Early in his career, he realized shallow distractions, emails, social media, were robbing him of focus. He cut them out. He practiced delayed gratification, resisted dopamine's pull, and trained his mind for deep work. The result? Books. That changed lives, ideas that shaped industries. Every time you resist instant pleasure, you invest in your future self. The marshmallow isn't just candy, it's a test of character. Flow is the destination. It's that zone where time disappears, distractions fade, and you're fully immersed. Artists, athletes, creators, they thrive in flow. But you can't enter flow if dopamine keeps hijacking your focus. It's like trying to light a fire in the wind. The spark dies. Detox is the shelter. It calms the storm so the fire can burn. Flow isn't about chasing sparks. It's about building a fire that never goes out. That's the joy of progress, creation, and living fully engaged. You've just taken another step toward mastering your mind. Dopamine detox isn't about removing joy. It's about sketching a new blueprint for your life. One habit at a time. Here at Mind Sketchbook, we explore psychology, brain habits, and motivation so you can design the life you've always imagined. If today's message sparked something inside you, don't let it fade. Subscribe, join our community, and keep sketching the masterpiece of your mind. Because your brain is the canvas, and your future is the art.